we should. So, we're gonna run to the pet store.
Yes, 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 yes.
We gotta get the. Jeez. So this is your cat. And you said he's been up there for 2 days.
He's been up there for 2 days. I missed him late Saturday afternoon. I haven't seen him since Saturday afternoon, and I found him yesterday morning. He was crying so bad. I located him. He's in a kind of a cedar, or might even be a hemlock tree. I'm not sure. I don't know trees very well, but
okay.
He's about halfway up the tree, and he keeps wanting to go higher, which is bad news.
Yeah. So Bob said that this tree was like hanging over a cliff or a bluff. Is that true?
No, we got high bank waterfront, and I've climbed down to the tree down the bank. You know, where I used a rope and stuff. I got down there. It's a little treacherous getting down.
What's your cat's name?
Edgar Allen. But he listens to Edgar is what. But you know, he's a fairly friendly cat.
Okay.
It's not so much with people he doesn't know, but I have a feeling that wouldn't matter if you got up there and got near him. He'd probably go with anybody.
How old is he?
He's about maybe two and a half years old.
Okay.
He's a big orange tabby.
Orange tabby, that's my favorite. All right, well, heading out on a couple of nighttime rescues here. First going to Maltby to rescue a kitty named Hiccup. And if I think I'm right, this kitty's been stuck for over 5 days, which certainly warrants heading out at night and getting this kitty. Second stop is all the way up in Camano Island. I think that cat's only been stuck for about 3 days, so less dire, but still certainly dire. Great news is it's not raining tonight. We just got through a big spell of just non-stop rain, and so it's almost nice just to kind of go out at night and climb a tree, get some kitties down, and it's not raining, it's not blowing. It's actually pretty pleasant on out, so hopefully they go well. Well, what can you tell me about Hiccup? Is Hiccup's a boy or a girl?
He's a boy.
Is Hiccup a really friendly kitty?
Yeah, he cuddles with me a lot.
How did you get the name Hiccup?
The first time he was from the movie.
From what movie?
From How to Train Your Dragon.
Oh, I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna get Hiccup. And you know, I'm gonna bring Hiccup down and put Hiccup in a sack, and then bring Hiccup down. It's just a little canvas sack, just a little bag that we put him in, and then you can go ahead.
Is he gonna be warm in it?
Yes, he would be warm. And yeah, so he'll be warm in the bag, and then you guys bring him on inside, take him on out of the bag, and then
that sound good?
Hopefully he doesn't do it again. How's that sound?
Good.
Okay, I'm gonna go get Hiccup. Okay.
Okay.
What do you guys say?
Let's watch him.
Okay, you guys can totally watch.
Thank you.
I'll just maybe have you guys stay over here in case any branches break or anything like that, okay? Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, can I get a Go Hawks?
Go
Go
Hawks!
Hawks! Go Hawks!
Perfect. All right, Hiccup, here I come, buddy. Hiccup is in some cottonwood sprouts here. This is like the tree that you want to use spikes on, I think. How'd you get up there, buddy? Hi, Hiccup. Hiccup's in these tall, spindly cottonwood sprouts. So I climbed this tree initially, realized that I needed to back up. Then backed it up to this one. Hiccup's in that one. I don't really know if this is gonna work, but give it a shot. Hi. Hi, Hiccup. How am I gonna get you down? All right, well, this is Hiccup. I'm finally within grabbing distance. I'm about 8 feet from him now. And yeah, basically I've had to utilize some of my rope skills here. Tied this one off to this one, and then this one off to that one right there. So I'm sort of tied to 3 separate trees here. Hi, Hiccup! But I have a feeling that Hiccup is worth it. Hi, Hiccup. Hi, buddy. I know, it's kind of a tough tree, huh? I'll be up there in a second. Hi, Hiccup. Hi, friendly face. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, you've been up here for a few days, huh? Hi. I think I just need to get up a few feet higher and we're golden. Yeah. One of the most difficult situations, yeah, I've been in a while, Hiccup. Oh. Hi. Hiccup, don't go any higher, buddy. Hiccup. Hiccup, don't go any higher, buddy. Oh boy. Hiccup, buddy. Why'd you go up there? Why'd you go up there, Hiccup? Hi. Come back over here. Come back over here. Come back over there. Come back over there. Over there. Sorry, I'm doing a little stick trick. Hi. Hi, buddy. You're just out of reach, aren't you? Hi, buddy. Hi. I know, sweetie. This is gonna be kind of a quick grab, okay? I know my light's bright, isn't it? That's okay. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, Hiccup. Hi. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Oh, kisses. Hi. You're a sweetie. I hope those are good luck kisses. Yeah. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. I know. I surely am now, buddy. You're okay. You're okay, Hiccup. Hiccup, you're alright. I know. That probably wasn't the most comfortable thing. But I got you. Woo! Okay, Hiccup, down we go, buddy. Alright, Hiccup. Alright. I got your Hiccup. It was very, very, very difficult.
Yeah.
But
Crazy.
yeah, so I mean, a couple things. I would really try hard to make sure whatever chased him up the tree doesn't happen again, because you know what I did just now isn't going to be feasible every single time.
Yeah.
And so, you know, if it happens again, you know, it may or may not go.
Yeah.
And so
Yeah.
you know, obviously keeping them inside, you know, away from the dogs and things like that is the best bet. But yeah, maybe if you want to hold him by the handle there, I'll undo my little knot. Well, got Hiccup down. That was sort of what we call in the climbing world a little bit of an epic. But thankfully it just barely was possible. I ended up having to tie essentially 3 trees together. The one that I was tied into, the one that he was in, and then an adjacent one. Basically all together to support my weight. And it was sort of a unorthodox little grab there to get him. He actually, right as I got on up to him, he actually tried to go a little higher, which didn't really seem possible, but he made a go for it. And all I can say is thankfully he's got a tail. Because that was tough. Yeah, I definitely told him, you know, especially in this situation, I was like, you really need to keep your kitty inside, because what I just did is not going to be possible every single time. So yeah, I know that they said that their dog, really friendly, chased Hiccup up the tree, but I really hope that I don't have to do that again. It's 9:15 p.m. I'm heading to Camano Island right now to rescue Edgar Allen. I'll probably be there around a little after 10 o'clock, and all I'm really hoping for right now is something easier than the Hiccup tree. Wish me luck. Alright, well, this is Edgar, Camano Island. Got here, it's about 10:40 or so at night now. Much better tree situation. Still interesting though, pretty definite adventure. Had to climb down a steep embankment to get to this tree. Hi, Edgar. Where you at? Oh, hi, buddy. Hi, Edgar. He says, oh, this guy knows. Where you at? Hi, there you are. Hi, friendly face. Oh, he's purring, yes. Yes, you are, aren't you, buddy? Good boy. Where you at? Hi, friend. Hi, buddy. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh. Hi, buddy. Oh, man, you're a sweetie kitty. Aren't you? Come here. Oh, yeah. Come here, little bird box. Oh, Yeah. Hi, friend. Hi. Hi. I can grab you from here. Oh, hi. Come here. Oh. Hi, Edgar. Oh, hi. Oh, man. Look at this cat. Oh, man. Hi, Edgar. Hi. Oh, man. Hi. There you go. Hi, buddy. No, you're okay. Hi, friend. Hi, buddy. We gotta go and do a little sack now, okay? I don't think you're gonna mind at all because it's a little warmer than up here. It might smell a little like cat pee. But it's okay. Good boy. Good boy. You're all right. You're all right. Boy, it's quite a little hike down there. I'm gonna undo my little knot.
Okay.
And then, oh, just one hand.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna undo this. This is my safety backup here.
I was wondering how you get him down. I was wondering if he'd even come to you. That's
No, yeah, he totally came right on over to me. He's a great cat.
well, he's friendly. I'll tell you, he's desperate, I think, now. Because, I mean, God, this...
Okay, so it's just a little drawstring right there. Take him on inside and let him on out.
Okay.
No problem. I'm gonna run back down and look for one of my little straps, and I'll be back up. Whew. Well, I'm just leaving Camano Island here. It's 11:30 p.m. Edgar was in a really healthy cedar tree, about 100 feet down a steep embankment here on Camano Island. And the tree was totally healthy, and that's, you know, at this point I don't really care about the embankment, just as long as the tree was healthy and easy to climb. And sure enough, the tree was easy and healthy to climb, and Edgar was a good, sweet cat. He came right on over to me. And definitely an adventurous evening. Happy to be heading home, and hopefully we have a day off tomorrow, and no kitties get stuck, but if they do, we'll head on out.